Welcome back, Fun Fam, and if you're brand new to the channel, welcome in to Follow the Bradley's Fun. My name is Ron E. Bradley, and I hope that wherever you are, you're having a phenomenal day. Speaking of the day, as of the recording of this, today is May the 20th, 2024. I don't know when this will be going out. Maybe tomorrow, maybe sometime in the next few days, but I have a challenge, and that challenge is here at Epcot to see what I can get done in an hour to maybe 90 minutes without Genie Plus, without anything else, but just a quick visit in and out. Let's see what I can get done on a Monday afternoon, just after 5 o'clock, before 6:30, and heading over to the Magic Kingdom. So come along with me for this challenge and follow the Bradley's Fun! Steps first, we successfully made it in. It's 5:15. What can I get done before leaving here, hopefully before 6:30? Hello, Asha. Tell me, do I make a wish? Is that how this works? I don't know. Let's go see. All right. I made it past Figment, and now we journey on. As a quick note, the stage that's not yet open looks like, and I could be wrong, but it looks like they might already have decorated, or maybe they're decorating for the Encanto show that's supposed to open there a month from today. Let's see what happens. Now, of course, 1 week from today will be the last day of the Flower and Garden Festival 2024. It's a Memorial Day. It's going to be crazy, and I'm not going to be here that day. I'll tell you that. But I might go the day after and ride Test Track, because I don't know what other time I might be able to get Test Track in. So we'll see. It's very, very bright. Very, very pretty today. All those festive flower colors. I'm going to hate to see that go away during the summer. Mirabelle, they are the family madrigal, and soon they'll be having their own show. Thanks for coming in today and checking us out. We appreciate that. If you don't mind, if you could leave a like on the video. If you haven't yet, subscribe to the channel. And of course, click that notification bell. Then you'll stick it to the algorithm. Click it and stick it to be notified of all of our uploads here at Follow the Bradley's Fun. There's a really long line for the boat right now over to Morocco, but even though I'm way back here, I want to see, maybe I can make it on. I don't know, maybe I will, maybe I won't. It is standing room only, but I did indeed make it on. Yay, that'll save a lot of time. That is the boat I just got off of. Lots of people. That was a full boat heading to Morocco. First stop on our adventure is the Passholder Lounge. Very, very pretty today against the blue sky, the red of the Morocco walls. If you're in Morocco, you need water, just water. You're not Passholder or anything, you can't get in the Passholder Lounge. You should know that if you stop by here, which is the Spice Row table, they have a free water inside. The time is currently 5:37 as I venture back here into Morocco to check out the Passholder Lounge, the annual Passholder Lounge, which is here at the restaurant Marrakesh. Last time I visited, no characters, but today we got Genie. Genie of the Lamp. I'm surprised there's not a huge amount of people in here today, at least not right now. I guess the biggest reason I'm surprised is there's a lot of people outside, and it's really hot, but it's pretty cool that they have this nice seating area back here. And then you got the free Chex Mix and Peanut Mix, and Genie. Make a wish. Chex Mix. I am fortunate enough to have a pretty good charge on my phone right now, but hey, this is cool. Recharge station complimentary here in the lounge. That's nice. And all the different varieties for whatever your needs are. Woo. Someone...
Yeah.
Genie! What's up? I have... My wish is for you to be free.
You free? You free? Well, get out of here. Go. He's free, everybody. He's free. There you go. Trapped again. All right. Look over here.
There we go.
Can I get one here?
You never had a friend like me.
Yay, mission 1 accomplished. Passholder Lounge, and I met the Genie. I freed the Genie. On to the next mission. Bosai, Daleson! Bosai! If you're a Karate Kid or Cobra Kai fan, you'll get that reference. A group called Sister Hazel is out at the Garden Rocks concert tonight. I don't know who they are. But you might, who knows? Sister Hazel, there they are. And for those of you out there who've been keeping up with my updates on the Tiana's Bayou Adventure vlogs, here she is, Princess Tiana. Now flying over this amazing German town, except not at all, because it's just a train set over here in Germany. For those that may not know, all of this is because of trains. It's true. All started with Walt Disney himself, his passion for trains. Oh, light. Sorry about that. Speaking of Germany, I am German and I'm going to the Bauernmarkt Farmers Market for some latkes. That's potato pancakes with applesauce. Mmm. All right. Get my potato pancake over here. Mmm. Okay, you're not gonna really see me eating this because I'm gonna walk and eat because we're on a time crunch. Let's go! Anna, Elsa, oh my goodness, they're in green, but they still look frozen. Norbe, ve! Don't pay attention to that guy, he's just trolling you, seriously. Oh my gosh, that sun is ridiculously bright. Fun fact about Mexico. There's a little side entrance over here. Ooh, wow, these are gorgeous flowers. But we gotta keep moving because we're on a time crunch. Ah, we've made it to the inside of the pyramid. The Gran Fiesta Tour. Starring Los Tres Caballeros. So this ride here in Walt Disney World at Epcot is set up similar to Pirates of the Caribbean at Disneyland in California, where you have the Blue Bayou restaurant right along the water of the ride. And here you have a restaurant right along the water of the ride. We're just about at the 1 hour mark. It is 6:15 p.m. and I am almost about to board the Gran Fiesta Tour starring Panchito, Donald Duck, and Jose Carioca. Tres Caballeros.
Para su seguridad, permanezca sentado y mantenga las manos, brazos, pies y piernas dentro.
Just like Pirates in Disneyland flows right by the Blue Bayou restaurant, the Gran Fiesta Tour, this ride here at Epcot, flows right by the San Angel Inn restaurant here in the Mexico Pavilion. So if you're looking for a romantic spot, a date night spot, that restaurant, the San Angel Inn, whoa, that's a great place. And this ride is a fun thing to do after. They're having technical difficulties. I've actually never been on this ride when they've had technical difficulties, but The sound is off and...
Attention Gran Fiesta tourists and the three caballeros, please remain seated. This ride will be powered down and powered up in normal mode immediately. Please stay clear. Thank you.
Oh, sounds like they're rebooting. They just rebooted the ride, so we have motion again. Just no sound yet. That's okay. Oh, there's the sound. Interesting. I never noticed that there was a drink there before. And it looks like they got the ride full up and running. We never stopped either. We just kind of slowed down a bit. I've always loved the intricacies of this ride. They did such a good job with the Imagineering team making this work. Oh, we bumped. We stopped. All right, Mexico is behind me. Took a little longer than I expected, so we'll see when we make it out of here. Citrus Blossom. We're gonna head to Citrus Blossom and see if we can get some shrimp before we head out and end our challenge. It did, in fact, take me quite a bit longer in Mexico, specifically because the ride broke down while I was on it. But it was only about a 10, maybe 15-minute delay at the most, so not too bad. Just want to see what else I can get done before I take off. Citrus Blossom, here we come. Not too much of a line, so that's good. So bad news on the shrimp. It is not even 7 o'clock yet, and they've run out of probably the most important thing that they have here at this particular location is the Tornpora shrimp, and they're out of it. Good planning on your part, Disney. Good planning on your part. No. Definitely chalking that one up to a fail on Disney's part, not my part, because I got time left. Let's hope they have Beverly. I'm very glad. Oh God, not that again. The sewer smell again at Epcot. I don't know what the problem is, but I don't know why I encounter it. There it is again. No shrimp. Sewage smell. I don't know. Wishing that things were a little better. I'll be honest, I'm glad I ate the potato pancakes. Those were okay. They weren't great. I'd give them a 7 out of 10. But at least I got something in me, and that was good. So, yay. I am happy to say Club Cool has my Beverly today. So there's at least that. Yay. Thank you, Club Cool. Thank you, Beverly. Beverly is the best. So delicious. Oh, wow. We were able to get quite a bit done, packed in that hour and a half. Exactly 90 minutes in and out. It was 5:15 p.m. when I entered, and it is 6:45 p.m. right now. I'm exiting, and I'm going to go over to the Magic Kingdom, but you'll see that in a different vlog. For now, we're just going to go hit that monorail so I can close out this vlog and start the next, which will be my update, my next update on Tiana's Bayou Adventure. And there she is coming in. I'll be catching that lime monorail as I go up. Ooh. Thank you so much for coming in today If you haven't yet, please leave a like on the video, subscribe to the channel, hit the notifications bell. I'm gonna get on this monorail. So, till next time, we'll see ya real soon. Ciao, everybody. Bye.